Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm a tutor here at the Writing Center at Woodbury University, and I'm here today to show you how to submit online written feedback to our Writing Center. I will share my screen with you guys now. Online written feedback. What is it? Formerly, it was known as online tutorials before we went all virtual. These tutorials are asynchronous, meaning not face-to-face and not in real time. Students submit essays through Microsoft Word documents. Please remember to submit your essay through a Word document because our tutors are not able to properly comment and edit on PDFs. Students receive feedback on documents in the form of comments. Typically, the turnover is 24 hours, even on weekends and holidays. Some tips for written feedback. Please submit us a clean copy. So if your professor has left comments, please delete them or copy and paste your document onto a new clean document to make it easier on our tutors not to edit your document and not be confused with your professor's comments, as well as to make it easier for you when you receive the document to not have too many comments on your paper. If your paper is over 10 pages, please break it into 2 sections or more, depending how much you need. Be patient. Sometimes it takes more than 24 hours for us to get to your paper. We send your feedback via email, so check your inbox and also check your spam because it might get lost there. Some advantages and disadvantages to online written feedback. An advantage is students don't need to meet face-to-face. So you don't even need to get dressed up to submit your paper. Another advantage is that students can submit their paper 24/7. You could submit it at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, as soon as you wake up. At any point of the day, you can submit your paper to this forum to get it checked by a tutor and commented on. A disadvantage is that students can't choose the tutor who they want to work with and who that's going to review their paper. For example, let's say that you have a paper for business specifically and you want a business major to look at your paper. You cannot choose the tutor that looks at your paper, so if you do want that, we would recommend to have a Ring Central virtual meeting with the tutor. Students cannot converse with the tutor. So if a comment on your paper is confusing, you can ask for clarification or ask what that tutor means in that comment. Also, if you had another question or if the tutor brought something up and then that brought another question up to mind, you can have that conversation through this forum. Now I will show you how to submit these. Okay, it would be easier to start by showing you how to get to it. So, in order to get to our Writing Center, you will have to go to the Woodbury website. And you would go down and find the Writing Center link. You click it, and it will take you to our homepage, as you saw before. On our homepage, you can see on this little blue button here, it says submit a paper for written feedback here. So you would click that, and it would take you to our form where you will fill it out to submit your document. Don't forget to choose file. You can either choose the file or drag the file there. You need to select online, even though it's only one option. You select online, which is for data purposes. You would select a campus, because just if you guys don't know, there's 2 campuses for Woodbury, one in Burbank and one in San Diego. So you would need to select your campus. Then you would go on and fill out your last name, your first name, email, the year you are in the university, the class, the assignment, and further on. And furthermore, something else that I would like to mention is that sometimes you get students that click all of these. Like, we understand that you want help with everything, but it's important to make sure you don't click all 3 types of documentation, APA, Chicago, and MLA, because it's impossible for a paper to be all 3. So make sure you click the right documentation for our tutors to check. Also, there's an option here to let us know anything you would like the tutor to know about yourself or about your writing. Here you can take the opportunity to state your pronouns, state a specific part in the writing that's confusing for you and you need help with. And this section right here, don't fill it out, it's for the tutor. And And then from there on, you just click submit. And your paper should go in if you fill it out. So that was a quick how to submit your paper for online feedback. Have a good day.